Hi, this is Dr. Samsonov with the Power of Physics Imagination. Have you ever wondered why ice skates slide on ice? The common explanation is that the blade is so sharp, it actually exerts so much pressure that the melting point is temperature is going down, so it kind of melts and you kind of glide on the surface, on the layer of water between the surface and your skates. If this would be true, then why would skis slide? They're wide, they're long, they don't exert nearly as much pressure. And explanation is actually quite interesting. Imagine the structure of the molecules in ice. So all these molecules have neighbors around and all the stuff, and then they're pretty packed, they're stable. But then when you go to the surface, the molecules on the surface don't have as many neighbors which would hold them in place, so they actually can almost freely move around. So you have a situation of kind of not a solid any longer, but not liquid yet. So kind of semi-liquid state of this on the surface, which you can actually glide on. Skates, skis, doesn't matter. You just glide on it. And now the same physics goes beyond that. Take two pieces of snow, and on the surface you have all these molecules that are eager to connect with new neighbors that don't have enough neighbors to connect with. And now you bring these two pieces of snow together, you hold it, maybe you press a little bit, and then what do you have?